Hello YouTubers, in this video I will unbox the Pro B660M-A DDR4 MSI motherboard. The backside of the box contains a lot of information, specifications and an overview of the input-output connectors. And here we can see some of the main features of the motherboard. Let's see what's inside the box. This is the motherboard. Okay. Let's see what have we got here. That's a shield, some documentation, some screws for the M2 SSD, as well for the M2 SSD, some screws. This is the summary of the box apart from the motherboard. As you can see here, you got two SATA cables, a sticker, a DVD with utilities and drivers, and some quick installation guide. That's all. And now let's have a look at the motherboard. Apparently this was unopened so far. And here we got the motherboard. It's beautiful, isn't it? That concludes this video. The force might be with you.